In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Mysterium Dark VPN on your PC so you can stay private, avoid tracking, and access restricted content easily. Before we get into the setup, I also recommend checking out the link in the description. For NordVPN, it offers faster speeds, more server locations, and overall better performance, especially if you want smooth streaming and gaming. But now, let's get started with Mysterium. First, open your browser and go to the official Mysterium VPN website. Once you're on the home page, download the Windows version of the app. After the download is complete, open the installation file. Windows may ask for permission. Just click Yes, and then follow the on-screen instructions. The installation usually finishes within a minute. Once the app is installed, launch Mysterium. If you don't already have an account, click Sign Up and create one. It's fast and only requires basic details. After logging in, Mysterium will open its main dashboard, where you'll see a list of available servers and countries. To connect, simply choose a country from the list. For example, select the United States if you want access to US-only websites or shows, or choose a European server if you want stronger privacy laws. When you've made your choice, click the Connect button. Within a few seconds, your connection will be encrypted and your IP address will be hidden. The app will show a status indicator confirming that you're protected. Now you can browse, stream, and download with more privacy and fewer restrictions. If you need to switch servers, just disconnect and pick another location from the list. You can also explore the Settings section for extra features, like startup options, app preferences, and update checks. I recommend checking for updates occasionally to get new features and improvements as they roll out. When you're done using Mysterium, just click Disconnect, and your connection will return to normal. That's all. Download, install, connect, and enjoy private and unrestricted browsing. Mysterium is great for casual use, but if you need faster speeds, more security features, and thousands of reliable servers worldwide, NordVPN is the better choice. The link is in the description if you want to try it at a great price.